Hello Yolanda and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I will be sharing with you information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website, attracting more customers and growing your company. So I hope you find this information insightful. I will be covering the website, contents, the Google Business Profile and backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have links to your social media accounts, the click to go button. You have very nice pictures of the different surfaces that you work and the different services that you provide, and some of the testimonials from your customers, um, and some before and after pictures, and the contact us form. So overall, it's a well laid out front page that is easy to navigate and very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, right now it is sitting around 492 words. And if I have a look at two of your competitors, for example, classic these guys, Marble Restoration and Polishing in Miami, they have around 764 words, and Miami Marble Kings, they have around 761 words. So it's an opportunity for you there is just to throw in more content, including more buyer intent keywords, so that Google can easily find your website and that you can start appearing as a relevant result depending on the search that people are performing. So if I come here to Google and I type in marble polish in Miami, which is a buyer intent keyword, Google is usually going to show us three sections, which are the Google Ads. And Google Ads are really good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive, and some people just turn them off in their browsers. Then the next section is the Google Business Profile, or GBP. This section over here is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. So it's really good to actually rank in the top 3 positions, and to rank here you need optimized and geotag pictures, you also need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, and the details on those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can rank at the top. Now the third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, first your website needs to be built correctly, and then you need something that we call backlinks. And a backlink is well, let me show you what we use. We use a tool called Ahrefs to analyze the backend of a website. Right now, I am looking at yours, and I can see that there are 6 backlinks in 4 external websites, and a backlink is a link on any other website that is directing traffic towards your website. So if I have a look at these guys, they have, well, their landing page for Miami does not have any backlinks, but they're getting some power from the parent domain. And then Miami Marble Kings, they have 317 backlinks in 28 external websites. So it's actually a good idea just to have a look at this backlink profile and just make sure that those links are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services and to the industry that you serve, so that Google can start regarding your website as a relevant authority in that particular search that people are performing. Now your website is being found for 7 organic keywords, and here is that list. And you can see here the search volume is the number of times this particular keyword is searched for per month, and in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So anything beyond the 11th, 12th position means that you're already on the second page of Google and you're not capable of driving too much traffic. Now, if I have a look at these guys, they are being found for 9 organic keywords, and some of those keywords are here. So marble polish in Miami has a search volume of 150, and they're in the first position. Marble restoration Miami, they're in the first position, and the search volume is 40. So although they are not ranking for too many keywords, they are ranking into the first position for these relevant keywords. And if I have a look at Miami Marble Kings, they are being found for 34 organic keywords, and some of those keywords are marble polish in Miami, marble restoration Miami, polished concrete, the marble floor in Miami. So it's just a good idea to identify what are those relevant keywords that have a higher search volume, so that you can sprinkle your website with these keywords and Google can start finding you, and then with the help of a strong backlink profile, you can rank at the top. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information on your own, but also please don't forget to give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.